Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to play Pokémon Legends Arceus on Yuzu using an easy method. First, ensure you have the Yuzu emulator installed on your computer. You'll also need your Nintendo Switch firmware and product keys, which are essential for legal emulation. Once Yuzu is ready, we'll guide you through adding your game files and any updates to get started quickly. Next, let's optimize Yuzu's settings for the best experience with Pokémon Legends Arceus. We'll tweak the graphics to balance visual quality and performance, ensuring smooth gameplay. Then, we'll set up your controls, whether you prefer a gamepad or keyboard, so you can navigate Hisui effortlessly. Finally, we'll confirm your audio settings are correct for immersive sound. Now, let's cover some game-specific tips for Pokémon Legends Arceus. We'll look at applying any necessary game patches that can significantly improve stability and performance. We'll also discuss common troubleshooting steps for issues like unexpected crashes or visual anomalies. Always double-check your computer meets the recommended system specifications for a smooth adventure. With everything configured, you're ready to launch Pokémon Legends Arceus and embark on your grand adventure in the Hisui region. Feel free to experiment with Yuzu's settings further to fine-tune your experience and find what works best for your system. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Enjoy exploring and catching all the Pokémon.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.